In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Google Docs. Whether you're trying to make your document stand out, improve the style of your text, or you simply want more creative options beyond the default fonts, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Docs and create a new document or open any document you're already working on. Once you're inside, click anywhere and type a few words. This will help you preview your new fonts later. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the Fonts drop-down at the top of the toolbar. A menu will appear showing the default fonts available. Now, to access even more options, click on More Fonts. This will open a large window full of different typefaces you can choose from. You'll find categories like serif, sans serif, handwriting, display fonts, and more, all designed to help you customize your document exactly how you want it. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're connected to the internet because Google Docs pulls additional fonts from the cloud. You can also use the search bar inside the fonts window to quickly look up a font by name. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary scrolling. Once you've opened the More Fonts window, you can browse through hundreds of options. Click on any font to add it to your personal font list. You can select as many as you want. They'll instantly appear in your fonts drop-down for future use. If you're unsure which fonts match your style, you can also open a new tab and search for Google Fonts. This lets you preview entire font families before adding them. It's a great way to explore new styles and make better choices. After you've added your desired fonts, simply close the More Fonts menu. Now highlight the text you typed earlier, click the Fonts drop-down, and choose one of your newly added fonts. You should see the text update immediately, giving you a perfect preview of how your document will look. It's also a good idea to test different sizes and weights to make sure your new font fits well with your layout. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add fonts to Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?